Right, Gunness chase flood. What you did today? But I want to know the date. Today 28. And? Well water. I think I water like low like this. You got good height now. You understand? Why you trying to my boots can take it now? Right now we're just about approximately half of our boots height. And we're now walking in. Until we reach. See also what? Come and record any water. Half of our boots height.
Hey, look at thing in the water, friend.
How? Come, look, you see how dangerous it is? Eh? That snake going there, watch it. Right. Snake. Come here. See that brown thing there? That is snake. Snake. Yeah, snake. Water has snake. The water has alligator. Crocodile. Look at ants here. Woohoo! Yes. That is a patch of ants. See there? Biting ants. What's that? Yes, sir. This water has all kind of things. Snake, ants, fish. Touch it, boy. Well, ants biting off there, boy. Watch your water. Gunness Trace water. New Gunness Trace Caparo. Yes, sir. What's that? That is a serious ant's nest. Watch it from here now. We get a good view. A real view here. Put it on YouTube today. Yes, people. Skooks out of stuff there. Watch. Skooks. We just need a little help here. New Gunness Trace Caparo. Big council in the area. Ting. Big man. Make a Z river there. Through the bush, you can't see it by day. A Z. We're going up a hill. You understand? That water there. That water. Can't go further. So much ants and snake and thing in there. I got a ton back there. Yeah. We walk a little bit again. Yeah. A little bit again, man. A little bit again. Yes, folks, this is New Gunness Trace Caparo. Right by Family Supermarket. On your right hand side. Please like and comment and share this video. What's so? You can see? Real water. Real water. Real water. This is New Gunness Trace. See the length of the water there? That's the one side, that's the left side. This here is the right side. See thing there? Yes, sir. One shower rainfall and it's reaching by the grocery. Like so. We are facing right now one shower reaching by that up that hill by that van there up there. See that van up so? Nice. That is one there. Right. I'll go back up there now. And this is from the man they call Johnny Creditor. Wait. Snake. Snake in the valley is there. Wait there. I call a snake. Which part? Snake running now? Wait. So you have a big one around? I really see that one. Where you going? How big he was? Go in the grass here. Now you hide up somewhere, man. Wait there. There's a snake here, wait. Alright people, well that's it for today. Until next flood again, until I do something about it. Otherwise we gotta light up the road or something out here in a time, man. But you know it is, people around here, ting.